Hey lads, TechScanning here. Do you ever wonder how smartphones will look like in future? Whether agree or not, for almost the last 10 years, smartphones have made little progress in terms of design. Though there are foldable phones in the market, but don't you think that flexibility of screens meant for something mind-blowing instead of the same rectangle design with crazy price tags? So in today's video, we are going to talk about some crazy concepts which are already patented by the companies. Without further ado, let's start. Isn't it amazing to have a phone that can wrap around your wrist? But what actually is crazier, that this design is actually in production. Yes, the ZTE Nubia Alpha made its public appearance in 2019. It features a 4-inch screen that is insanely flexible that it can transform the device into a wristband. Though it's a cool idea, but it wasn't as impressive as it should be. In the past, Lenovo has launched a similar looking design named Lenovo C+, while Samsung is also reportedly working on a similar tech as shown by patents. Because many companies are involved in this idea, so we are hoping companies are focusing on this concept, and most likely soon in the future we will see an improved design. While you may have seen perfect looking transparent phones in movies, however, the idea is not limited to just science fiction movies. In early 2020, a phone patent filed by Samsung appeared online showing a transparent display with a very slim bezels around it. And if you are thinking that it's impossible, let me tell you that the Taiwanese company Polytron Technologies already showcased its transparent phone. Well, it's not completely transparent, but it's not a bad start either. Honestly, we can't see any practical reason to make a transparent phone except it will look cool. So what if we ditch smartphones altogether and have a totally different thing like contact lens? You know, the Terminator-like vision sounds like a science fiction movie, but not entirely. Back in 2014, a team of researchers showcased such a contact lens. However, what will blow your mind that in the same year, Google managed to put a camera in the contact lens. Actually, smart contact lenses have been under development for decades, but companies have made a little progress in this regard. We hope companies will pursue this idea more eagerly. Here is another mind-blowing concept phone from 2014 called the Secret Phone. So unlike the wristband we discussed earlier, this will ditch the screen completely and provide the display by means of a projector and some laser tag to put a phone on your arm. However, to achieve this level of projection, we need a lightweight as well as a powerful projector that can provide enough bright display to use it in daylight. Further, it should be based on an intelligent touch system to make this device usable. Because of many complex technicalities, we won't see this coming anytime soon. A scrolling phone is an idea that took the screen flexibility to an extreme level. Well, the design looks cool, but the most amazing part that the researchers already showcased a prototype back in 2018 called the Magic Scroll. While looking at this, the scroll came into your mind used in ancient times, but this one holds a 7.5 inches OLED display. So the user can use it when the screen is wrapped around the scroll, and when needs a bigger display, you can simply detach the screen from one side. In the last, we are gonna talk about one of the wildest and most hyped phones from Vivo. So according to a smartphone patent reportedly filed by Vivo in December 2020, have an integrated flying drone camera. Wow! So the drone fly around you to take photos and videos. While this may sound cool to you, but it doesn't seem to come into real life because the drone should be lightweight as you will be carrying it all time alongside the phone. While on the other hand, a lightweight drone will be affected by wind turbulence when using it in open air. So with such complex technicalities, it will be more likely to stay on just papers. So which one you are most excited about? For us, we really want to see the contact lens in near future. Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and that's it for today. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.